Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add Google Analytics to WordPress. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and search for googleanalytics.com and you will end up over here. And this is the web. This is where I have already added my website. And if you want that tutorial, make sure to comment down below or you can just check out on our channel. Once you add your website on Google Analytics, at the top, you just need to search for measurement ID. Once you search that, you will see over here. And what you need to do, just copy this one. Once you copy that, go back to your WordPress. On the left side of the menu, find plugins. Click on add new plugin. After that, search for Google Analytics. Once you search that, you will see something like this. And this is the one which I am going to use right now. GA Google Analytics connect Google Analytics to WordPress. Click on install now. Click on active. So once you active, you will see this is the one which we recently added. Just click on settings and as you can see, this is where it will take you. Here you are just going to enter that GA tracking ID which we copied, and after that at the bottom just click on save changes. And you can also find Google Analytics in your search menu on the left side of the menu. Once you do all of this, you can just come back over here and you will see all the analytics regarding your website, and make sure to add website first of all, otherwise it won't work. And add the website where you are going to install plugin of Google Analytics. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.